In today's video, I am going to discuss the actual study timetable which works for UPSC aspirants. Hello students, welcome back. Before going into the video, I wanted to narrate a small incident which happened in the life of that is Cristiano Ronaldo, the famous football player which many of you are aware of. If you look at Ronaldo's life, in his early life at the age of 15, he was faced with a critical health problem. That is, his heart was beating much faster than normal. When he went to the doctor, the doctors were advising him to stop playing football, and he was really feeling very bad, and he went for surgery, and he converted his disadvantage into the advantageous position. Today if you look at Cristiano Ronaldo, his age will be nearing 39, and today also he is what he is known for, he is known for his work ethics. That is known for rigorous practice. Every day he will be practicing very rigorously, strict diet, and he is one of the fittest players in football today. So, if by looking at him, what is the example or inspiration we can take upon as an UPSC aspirant is that kind of work ethics or workaholic we should also be. That is, when you are wanted to study UPSC preparation, wanted to study in a proper timetable, you should stick to the timetable disciplinedly and consistently, like how this Cristiano Ronaldo is doing even at this age of 39. Some of the people, they went and asked him, so like how you are able to maintain your fitness and what is your motivation. He said, your love makes me strong and your hate makes me unstoppable. In the same manner, when it comes to UPSC preparation, please try to adapt the work ethics of Cristiano Ronaldo, especially in your study timetable. Now, how to approach your study timetable every day. So when it comes to study timetable, I generally split your study timetable. Either it can be a morning session majorly or in a night session majorly. Try to see what kind of personality you are, whether you are a early morning awakened person, or you can study in your night time in a comfortable manner. Based upon your strength only, you need to identify your time of studying. Okay, after identifying the priority areas, that is what is the time you wanted to study, now what you should do is try to identify especially what are the important core areas or high yielding areas for preliminary examination and main examination. This you should do and take the help of a mentor, or you can analyze yourself from the previous year questions. So once you know what is the high yielding areas and core topics for that matter, I would be telling geography, polity and economy. Try to start this topic in a priority manner, then you can move to other subjects. So in that subjects also try to concentrate on high yielding areas initially, and then you can proceed to miscellaneous areas. Fine. After identifying this, third most important thing is what you should do is whenever you are reading, every day you should have simultaneous prelims and mains preparation simultaneously. That is, especially during the months of November, December, you can focus on prelims plus mains plus optional preparation also. And whenever you are reading in a particular day, you should have daily revision, that is daily study target, and you should focus at least 1 hour at the end of the day for revision. And you should have a weekly target, that is 6 days you are reading, and the one day you should allot only for PVQs practice and revision on that particular area. So in this manner, if you are reading and revising the topics in a day, and if your work ethics is very strict like the diet plan and how the workaholic nature of Cristiano Ronaldo, then you can also become one of the UPSC topper in the coming year. If you have any further doubts on your study timetable, or if you want any other flexibility in your study timetable, you can reach out to us in the comment section. We will try to respond to you. Thank you, students.